Hey beauties, Andrea. In this video I have some Mented Cosmetics lipsticks. I found out about Mented through Instagram. I was just scrolling through and I see some girls with very similar skin color as me, and the lipstick was really nice. I love nudes and brown mixed. I love it. I love that nude look. All right, I'm a sucker for lipsticks. I always loved lipsticks. Even the whole liquid matte lipsticks came about, I was still loving the tube lipsticks. Okay, that's what I like. That's my go-to, especially if it's satin. Perfect. Right here, as you can see, I have the Coldest water bottle right here, and I know, I see my name and I was like, oh my goodness, this is so cool. This is from the Coldest. Mine is a premium 21-ounce water bottle. It comes in different colors and sizes. It is a reusable stainless steel bottle that is 100% BPA and toxin free. It does have a double wall oscillation and easy grip. And it can keep your water super cold for 25 hours or more. You can also put hot drinks in it. Some water and icing here. Of course, you know me, I have to test it. Left it for 24 hours. And right now, there's no ice left in it. It's all melted, but it's cold. No fridge or anything left out. It is cold. This is literally meant to keep your water as cold as scientifically possible. The Coldest initiative was, of course, tying up with making sure that it's environmentally friendly. It's making sure you only own one bottle your entire life. That's why they make this bottle to be such high quality, so you don't need any more. This is it. This is it. Less trash, better planet. All right? All right, so going back to the Mented lipsticks. These are semi-matte and all nudes. I did get the trio, but I also got the peach. I went for the peach, okay? I saw nudes and I saw peach one because I love peach, but it was not included in the trio, and they're smart for doing that. It's a very good business strategy, okay? Because you're gonna get this anyway, so they got me. So this is what I got. They do claim them to be deeply moisturizing nude lip shades with a perfect blend of browns and pinks. And they are all vegan, paraben free, non-toxic, and cruelty free. They do look like some velvety bullet. You have 0.13 ounces in all of them. So right here I have the Pretty in Pink. This is Pretty in Pink. And I already seen some similarities because I already opened them up just to check. This one is Nude Lala. Nude Lala. Dope Taupe. Dope Taupe. Right here. A Peach Please that I had to get. Dope Taupe is a little more to the brownish side, but Peach Please and Nude Lala look a lot alike, you guys. Look. Peach Please and Nude Lala. I'm going to show you guys how it looks all swatched right here. Keep in mind that my lips are reddish pinkish, okay? Mostly the bottom is all pink. The top halfway is pink. The other way it's pigmented, as you can see. And usually whatever color I apply, it doesn't usually come out what's on the tube. I always have problems with that. Let me know down below if you have problems with that. Nude Lala first. Let's go. Very smooth. Very moisturizing, so it doesn't look dry. Nude Lala gives me a orangey feel. I don't know why. It's appearing orangey to me. Do you guys see it? It's beautiful. I'm happy I got it. I love it. But on camera, it's appearing so orange. Lipsticks are semi-matte, so it's not too shiny. It has the perfect shine, and it does feel very good on your lips. Not drying whatsoever. Very moisturizing indeed. I loved it, okay? Now I wiped my lips. Let's go to the next one. This is Dope Taupe. Okay, so Dope Taupe, on me, I would say very brown. This on a rice skin tone, like a darker skin tone. It looks so perfect. Now moving on to the Pretty in Pink one, which I have more hopes for this one to be my perfect nude, okay? This is pretty, literally. Application is just so smooth. Oh shoot, I like this one a lot. It's literally what it is. It's literally very pretty in pink. It's so nice. And if it's the right amount of pink, I would say, you definitely see that this color is pink, okay? And a nude pink. Yes, this is the color. I love it. I actually really like this. If you want a pink color that's not too in your face, this is it. The one that's out of the kit that I bought separate, Peach Please. This one, I have a lot of faith in this, okay? Because it's the only reason why I wanted to even try the trio. And these are very easy to clean off your lips. It's a peach. It's a peach. I would say it's a perfect nude. It's very, very pretty. And I like Peach Please more than all of them. My lips are already pink, so the pink already seeps through. I do still see pink, so I don't think I would need the pretty in pink one. Peach Please is just the only one I need. Okay? I love this one. Oh shoot, it's exactly how I wanted it to be. A very nice mix of nudish, peachy color. It's beautiful, you guys. I would say this is, for most skin tones, to be honest, this is really pretty. It's not too light, too dark. It's like the perfect peach. I like. Good job, Mented. Perfect. I love it. Moisturizing, not too much to take off. I got tired of those matte lipsticks taking so much to take it off. Oh my goodness, I was rubbing my lips. My lips are very sensitive. They were peeling. I was over it. Perfect nude, brownish, pinkish, peachish, everything. But yeah, I don't have anything bad to say. It's just as far as color preference, I did not like the dope taupe. All right. That's it. Mented Cosmetics. Make sure you check them out down below. I didn't have anything bad to say about the formula, so everything is good to go. Don't forget to check the coldest water bottle down below if you want to keep your water super cold without putting it in the freezer. Or if you're traveling, yeah, check it down below. Bye, guys.